Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel with a new video and of course, a new topic. So, our topic today is about conditional sentence. There are four types of conditional sentence and each of them has a different degree of probability. The first is zero conditional sentence. This type is used to express the general truth. The pattern is if plus present simple plus present simple. For example, if you boil water, it evaporates. If you heat ice, it melts. The second is first conditional sentence. This type is used to express the possible condition and its probable result based on the fact on a real situation. The pattern is if plus present simple plus will or won't. For example, if he calls me, I will be happy. If I buy that ticket, I won't have any more money. The third is second conditional sentence. This type is used to express a non-likely situation and not based on a real condition. The pattern is if plus past simple plus would. For example, if the weather was good, we would go to the beach. In this sentence, the real condition is the weather is bad, so we can't go to the beach. The last type is third conditional sentence. This condition is used to express the impossible condition happened in the past and its probable result that happened in the past too. This type is usually contain a regret. The pattern is if plus past perfect plus would have. For example, if I had arrived to the station on time, I would have come to your birthday party. In this sentence, the real situation was she arrived late to the station, so she didn't come to his birthday party. So, that's all for today's learning materials. I hope you can enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!